I'm here today to talk about my favorite video editor ever. It's called Descript, and they just released this new feature called Underlord, which is their AI model that they're incorporating into all of the editing capabilities in the platform. Now, they've had AI capabilities for a while now, but this new release is a major upgrade. And I want to share a few of the things that I'm really excited about because I just tested it out for the first time today, and it is blowing my mind because it's not only massively accelerating my editing, it's allowing me to create and produce clips at a really high level really fast. So let me just show you a few of the things that I like about it. So first of all, I just recorded this video. It's about almost five, just about 5 minutes long. And I'm talking about this prompt library that I created, and allow I provide this template to people who want to create their own prompt library. And I just had an idea, so I recorded it. Now, one of the things that this new ability helps with is, and it's a bit of an emotional thing, because so many times we start recording and we don't like how we sound, and you start over and you start over again, and you delete. And I've got into the habit of just saying during the recording the words start over. Now, I can go in the new feature called Underlord, which is their AI name, and I can tell it to remove retakes. So what it's going to do is it's going to go through here and it's going to analyze my script, which has been transcribed already. And it's going to go through and it's going to find a bunch of stuff right off the bat. And the easy one is, if I look at this right at the top, it's going to find this initial paragraph right there, and it's going to delete that. So I'm going to move my head over here. So I'm going to just apply edits to the script. So it's just now it's ignoring that. So done with that. And normally that would be pretty easy, but what if I had the same type of retake further embedded in the script? It would find that too. And that's the magic ability of AI. So now I can tell it to go through and remove filler words. And you can see right up here, there's a lot of these and repeated words. So I'm just, for the sake of example, I'm just going to say remove them all. Now, the part that's really blowing my mind is I'm going to go to this section called repurpose, and I want it to create some clips for me. And this is where I'll usually, even though in Descript, you can take a selection and move it to a new composition, and you can do this manually. It's pretty easy. This is making that whole thing so much faster. So I'm just going to click on create clips, and I'm going to ask it to make 4 clips, and I want to use 20 seconds long. Now it's really easy to tell it, like, hey, I want a clip duration of 20 seconds. Give me 4 of them. And then I can also choose the layout. And I've created my own layout already, which is me, the talking head on the top half of the screen, and on the bottom half of the screen, it's showing the actual screen recording. So I'm just going to select this one. And if I want to, I can give it some further instructions. And right now, I'm just going to tell it to focus on features and hit submit. Now it's going to go through this. And what's amazing is it's actually pretty quick. I don't have to wait too long. And to be honest, some of them have been good, some of them have been mediocre, but there's a lot more good ones than there ever was before. So I can just go through and click on each one of these clips, and you'll see it took my layout, and I just hit play. One. So this is a good clip, and you can see here it's got some text that it didn't use, but I'm going to restore that text up there. And so just for sake of example, I can have it include the text that it removed. Maybe there's a different one here. Yeah, library prompts. Cool. So one thing I've noticed is that even though it's finding 4 clips, and this is a short video, it's only 5 minutes, a few of these are overlapping. And that's okay, because I can just say, hey, ignore that one. Let's take a look at this one, though. So not so good right now, because it's a lot of me pausing. So the goal here, So this is another part of the video. It's not the one I would have chosen, but just for sake of example, I can pare this down, delete that silent space, and I can also think if I want to include any of this other text. I will probably discard that one because it's not that good, but let's see if this one here is any better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to restore this part. So anyway, that's the ending right there, but there's a call to action. I now have a clip that was found just by using AI and it's done. This is a really powerful component of Descript. It's going to really change how I do my workflows. I do a lot of interviews with people, a lot of clients that do interviews. This is one of the ways that we can quickly extract clips, and it's going to make it so much easier to produce content in a quick way. So I hope that you found this useful. If you want to check out Descript on your own, I have a link at the end of this video. It's an affiliate link. Know that I may get commission if you click on it. Good luck.